Alright, I need to calm down. Like, relax. Chill, sis. Chill. You're bugging. So I was talking all that smack in my skin regimen video. And I got a fucking pimple. Yes, I got rid of that corny ass background. Yo, I'm about to act stupid for like 10 minutes straight before I even start this video. It's really sad. I cannot stop playing. So I'm not supposed to be looking at this. Like, my computer's over there and I just want to stare at it. Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ella and today I'm coming to you with a DIY do-it-yourself coffee scrub tutorial. I really like this coffee scrub because it's moisturizing or whatever. It leaves your skin glowing and it smells mega good, like mega good. I'm about to show you how to make this in a second. Stay tuned or whatever. Something's wrong with me. Okay, the first thing you need is a 16-ounce mason jar, of course. Grounded coffee beans, Epsom salt, virgin olive oil, avocado oil, and last but not least, tea tree oil. So I make this in 3 parts, so all the coffee beans are well saturated with oils. So I start off with 1 cup of coffee grounds, and then I add 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Whoa, I wowed out, but that was supposed to be 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. And then I mix it up just to make sure that all the coffee grounds are wet. And yes, I'm using a shish kebab stick. Don't judge me, it works pretty well. Here comes the salt. Just mixing it up. I eventually put 2 teaspoons. I just wanted to show you guys that the salt should like get really saturated where you can't even tell that it's in there. It pretty much turns dark. Alright, next I'm gonna put in my tea tree oil. At first I put 2 drops or 3 drops. I just don't like to smell it because the smell is really strong. So since I didn't smell it, I added 2 more. So that was a total of 5 drops that I put in there in that one application. And then I mix it up, of course. And now I just repeat all of the steps until the jar is full. In the description box below will be where the complete recipe is with all of the measurements. Okay, now for some fun facts. The caffeine found in coffee increases blood flow and may even reduce the appearance of cellulite. It also evens out your skin tone and exfoliates dead skin, revealing a softer and brighter layer. The magnesium in Epsom salt can reduce inflammation, while sulfates flush out toxins. Salt also kills bacteria, and it also aids in exfoliating your skin as well. Olive oil is packed with anti-aging antioxidants and an ingredient called squalene, which is extremely hydrating. Like when you put this stuff on, it's nice and thick and you can tell that it's actually penetrating your skin. Avocado oil contains vitamin E, potassium, and many other nutrients that can nourish and moisturize the skin. The antioxidants in avocado oil may help ease the symptoms of sunburn as well. Tea tree oil is effective against acne, it soothes inflamed skin, and is used for its antimicrobial properties. I put tea tree oil in my coffee scrub because I was suffering from eczema, and I actually still do. But this stuff really helped with like the inflammation and the itchiness. So that's why I decided to add tea tree oil. You don't necessarily have to. You can replace it with something that just smells good like lavender oil. But I decided to use tea tree oil for mine. I use this coffee scrub strictly on my body because the salt grains are big, so they are more abrasive. If you wanted to use a coffee scrub on your face, I would just replace the salt with sugar. That way those grains are a lot smaller and they are more gentle on your skin. Clearly she's almost finished. Yes. She looks a little bit like dirt, but she's not. Okay, finally we are all done. Hold on, let me show y'all. Yes, nice and shiny. Mad moisturizing, like I said earlier. And here I go throwing some coffee grounds on the floor for y'all. I was very upset when I was cleaning that up, but it was worth it. Look how shiny. And of course you throw the top on and call it a day. This should last you for a while, definitely for some months. You should only be using this once a week. You don't want to exfoliate your skin too much now. Alright, I'm gonna throw some coffee grounds on the floor one more time so I can show you guys how shiny and moisturizing. Oh my goodness, I love this stuff. So lit. Yes. Alright, so I need to tell you a few things about this coffee scrub before you go. It's mad messy, like it's messy. Cup it in your hand and like scrub slowly. Like don't get crazy, sis. If you just scoop it and start, it's all over the place. Like the shower curtains, the walls, the ceilings, your living room, like it's gonna get everywhere. So just be calm with it. Also rub in circular motions and rub upwards, okay? So you can like start your blood flow. I mean, not start your blood flow. Start your blood flow like that, sis, you dead. It promotes your blood flow. So that's what you want to do. Right after, you must clean your shower. It will stain your shower. Like it will turn yellow. Like think about coffee and how it stains your teeth and stuff like that. Just make sure after you get out the shower, you spray it down with something and you scrub it a little bit. All right, listen, nice skin is hard work. I don't want to hear y'all crying. All right, clean your tub, please. Unless you want a yellow ass tub. A little bit goes a long way. It already has matte oils, as you can see. So you don't really need to use a lot, honestly. Did I mention that it's mad messy? Like this drove me crazy. Y'all might not care, but you see how like the can got all rusted at the top? It's because like, see that? It's because like I left it in the... It's because I left it in the shower and it started to rust a little bit. So like now I'm not gonna store it in the shower because like I just hate how that looks and I refuse to buy another one and now I gotta deal with this. So like if you don't want that, just like take it out your shower, keep it by your sink or something like that, like not where it's gonna get like really wet. Make a lot at once so you don't have to keep making it because it's not really that fun making either. It's kind of messy. This whole thing is just messy, honey, like my life. So yeah, just make a big batch. You can use this on your face. The only reason why I'm not going to use my batch on my face is because I use the Epsom salt that has chamomile in it, and when I read the ingredients it had fragrance, and that word fragrance has a lot of other ingredients inside of it that I'm not really too sure about. So like my skin is fine, like I'll use it on my body, but as far as my face goes, my face is a little sensitive, so I wouldn't really use that on my face. But if you would like to use your coffee scrub on your face, just get plain Epsom salt and you good, sis. See that? See that fragrance? Then over there it says perfume. Not on my face, honey. You can also add any essential oils that you like. Usually if I have like plain Epsom salt, I will use lavender because it's calming, or I would use like peppermint because that helps promote blood circulation, and I think that also brightens the skin. So yeah, just have fun with the essential oils because they can also add other like benefits to the scrub. So experiment, why not? Have fun, sis. Become a scientist. Oh, be careful because it gets slippery. Yes, make sure you clean your shower. If you bust your head, get a concussion, don't blame Ella. I told you, clean that tub. So you're good. You're snatched straight out the shower. That's it, mommy. All right, so we're departing. You already know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe, please. And I'll see you next Sunday. Don't be late, sis.